Hi, first grade friends. Today we are reviewing the CH consonant digraph. CH says ch. Please write your name at the top of your paper. For today's worksheet, you will need a blue and yellow crayon. You'll notice at the top of our paper we have a blue crayon. So we are going to color words with the CH digraph blue. We also have a yellow crayon. And we are going to color words yellow that have no CH digraph. Let's look at our first word. We have the word chin. Ch-I-N. Chin. Chin has a CH digraph, so I'm going to color the word blue. You don't need to color the entire box. You can just color the word. Our next word over is the word shark. 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 Shark has no CH digraph, so we are going to color it yellow. The next word over is the word teach. T-E-ch. And there's that CH digraph at the final part of the word. Teach. The next word over is stop. S-t-op. Stop. And I'm going to color the word stop yellow because there is no CH digraph in the word stop. The next line down, the first word is desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. What color are we going to color the word desk? That's right. We're going to color it yellow because there is no CH digraph. The next word is beach. B-E-ch. Beach. Can you find the CH digraph in the word beach? Way to go. It's at the final part of the word. Beach. The next word over is the word house. H-O-U-S. House. And we're going to color the word house yellow because there is no CH digraph. The next word after that is the word chess. Ch-E-S. Chess. What are we going to do with the word chess? That's right. We're going to use our blue crayon and we're going to highlight that CH digraph found at the initial part of the word. Next line down, we have the word crack. K-R-A-K. Crack. Let's color the word crack yellow because there is no CH digraph. The next word over is the word chip. Ch-I-P. Chip. Does the word chip have a CH digraph? Yes, it does, at the initial part of the word, the beginning part of the word. Our next word over is the word card. K-R-D. Card. We're going to color that yellow. I bet you already knew that because there is no CH digraph. The next word over is the word frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Do you hear or see the CH digraph? Nope. So we are going to color it yellow. All right, my CH digraph detectives, you are going to do the next 3 lines by yourself. Please read the word and decide if it has a CH digraph that says ch. And if it does, color it blue. If it does not, color it yellow. Way to go. Good luck. All right, first grade friends, we're moving on to the back side of our paper. We are working with tracing spelling words. You'll need a pencil, a crayon, and a marker for this side of our worksheet. The first word we are going to use is fish. Please finger stretch the word fish with me. F-I-sh, fish. Now with your pencil, please write the word fish. F-I-sh, fish. Way to go. I'm going to use a blue crayon, and now with my blue crayon, I'm going to write the word fish again. F-I-sh, fish. And my marker, I will write fish a third time. F-I-sh, fish. Fish has that SH digraph found at the final part of the word. Our next word is the word chip. Ch-I-P. Ch-I-P. Chip. With your crayon, please write the word chip. Ch-I-P. And last, with your marker, Ch-I-P. All right, Mrs. Nimitz isn't going to keep writing with the crayon and marker on the worksheet. I'm only going to write the pencil, but you will still need to write the crayon and the marker. Our next word is the word with. W-I-Th. With. W-I-Th. With. Now please pause the video and write with your crayon and with your marker. The next word we're going to write is the word pinch. P-I-N-C-H. Pinch. With your pencil, P-I-N-C-H. Pinch. Please write pinch with your crayon and your marker. You'll want to pause the video. Our next word is the word thin. 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 Please write the word thin with your crayon and your marker. Our next word is the word when. Please finger stretch the word when with me. W-E-N. When. Please write with your pencil. W-E-N. When. Our next word is the word chest. Finger stretch. Ch-E-S-T. Chest. Please write the word chest. Ch-E-S-T. Chest. Our next word is the word shelf. Sh-e-l-f. Shelf. Please write with pencil. Sh-e-l-f. Shelf. All right, our next word is the word such. S-a-ch. Such. S-a-ch. Please write such with your crayon and marker. You'll need to pause the video. And our very last word is the word shop. Sh-a-p. Shop. Sh-a-p. Shop. Please write shop with your crayon and your marker. When you're done, please turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.